Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to add a credit card or a debit card or PayPal to your account on your Nintendo Switch so you can easily purchase things through the Nintendo Store. And this is easy. So let's go to the Nintendo eShop right here and select A on it. Then choose your account. Now under here, the Nintendo eShop is going to go ahead and load. And once it loads the store, we want to go all the way to the right and then up and go to our profile icon and select A on it. Now we can go to available funds and we can add funds from our credit card, Nintendo eShop, or PayPal. But we can permanently add a credit card to our account if we go to credit card information right here and set. So we can select it and then we just have to type in the information. Card number, expiration date, CVV code. The normal stuff right here. And it says prepaid credit cards may not be used in some cases. So you could try typing in your prepaid card right here and then just save it to your account and it might be usable. Then you can see your available gold points right here on the top. And then you can buy stuff through the Nintendo Store now. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.